Hey guys, I want to show you something really cool and I've been wanting to know about since we heard about Black Ops 4 Zombies and the new Chaos storyline crew. And that is, who are the voice actors that are going to be voicing these new characters? Well, earlier today, one of the voice actors that voices Diego, Christian Lands, he made a tweet and he showed a picture of all of the voice actors lined up with the characters. So starting from the left, yes, you have Christian Lands, he's the one that made the tweet and he voices Diego. Then you have Courtney Taylor voicing Scarlet, then Nick Moraine voicing Stanton Shaw, and Andrew Morgado voicing Bruno. I wanted to look into the history of these voice actors and see what other parts they've played, what all have they done, where might we recognize them from. So we'll start from the left. Christian Lands, he is the one that voices Diego, and I actually recognized his voice, and I was kind of joking around about it, saying that he sounded like another character that I've heard in an animated series, and it was him, and I'll show you who that was in just a moment. This guy actually has a long history with Call of Duty. He was in Call of Duty World War II. He played Sergeant Augustine Perez. He was also in Ghost as an extra soldier and also in Black Ops as an extra soldier. But the role I recognized him in was the animated TV series Puss in Boots. It's absolutely hilarious. I really love that cartoon. I'll let you guys listen to a little bit of his voice acting with that and then see him live doing it.
And you bat it and bat it. It is so much fun. Oh my goodness, him. For this acceptance, I think I will use my real voice. No. Again, Antonio, I got your back, man. Thank you.
The next voice is Courtney Taylor. She does Scarlet, and she has quite the resume when it comes to voice acting. She has done some really big roles. She's done voices in World of Warcraft, the Elder Scrolls, Final Fantasy series. One of the big roles she's done in the past was Fallout 4, and I'll let you guys listen to her doing that voice and then show you guys an interview that she did.
Nick Valentine wanted me to see you.
Did he now?
A man named Kellogg used to live in the city. I need to search his house.
Thank you for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Congratulations on Fallout 4. Out around the time this airs. Whenever it does. Whenever you're watching. It must have been an incredible process for you. This is a huge, huge video game that I can only imagine was quite a lot of work.
It was amazing. It was, I didn't actually think it was going to be that long. I kind of was like, oh, maybe it'll be like 15 or 16 sessions. And I think it was 55 or 60.
Whoa.
Like that over 2 years of like 4 hours a day.
Do you need a cup of water? Like, I feel like you would be...
Cold compress?
Yeah.
The next one is Nick Moraine, and he voices Stanton Shaw, and this guy does mostly TV series. It doesn't do a lot of voice acting. He's been in TV series like Homeland and How to Get Away with Murder. I found him doing an episode of TED Talks, and he talks a little bit about his career. I'll let you guys watch that.
I'm an actor. I enjoy becoming other people. It always seemed more interesting than being myself. I do theater, I do films, I do TV. These days you have to diversify a little, And I like to play characters that are pretty extreme. But along the way I learned that acting is not so much about acting, it's about reacting. It's not so much about talking as it is about listening. Acting, I discovered, is also about truth and about memory.
The last voice actor is Andrew Morgado, and he voices Bruno, and I couldn't find a whole lot on this guy. I was trying to find him in some kind of video talking, but there is nothing. His work history is mostly sound engineering and working on sound effects in movies and film. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!